This video is part 3 of my DIY electric skateboard build where I configure the VESC and the RC remote. For this project, we're going to need the VESC, the BLDC tool, an RC remote and receiver, and a servo connector. Power up your board because the VESC will need current in order to be configured. Use a mini USB to plug into your VESC and then connect it to your Mac or Windows computer. You'll then want to download the BLDC tool from the links below. So let's step away from BLDC tool for a second and connect the receiver to the VESC as well as the RC remote and bind these together. Your process might be a little bit different, but this is kind of going to be the basic process. So what we want to do here, and I've kind of gotten a head start, is you want to have a servo plug that you could also purchase pretty much from any DIY electric skateboard vendor. And we're going to be plugging it in to channel 2. You want to make sure that the neutral side is on the outside of channel 2, and the neutral side is always the black lead. So let's do that. Now that that's connected, we're going to want to connect this to the VESC. Now, just for example reasons, I'm going to show you this VESC. If we get up close, you could see this is right here. There's these 3 pins. There's these 3 pins right here, and that's where you're going to want to plug in the RC or the receiver servo. So that's what we're going to do. You're also going to want to make sure that the neutral line is facing out. And now that we've got that connected, you'll also need a binding loop key. This usually comes with your RC remote. So after you've gotten this loop key, you're going to want to put that into channel 4. There's no particular way to plug this in, so either way, whatever way fits. So if you see here, that's what it looks like. Now that we have everything in place, you take your remote, and this could be different for every different remote, but I'll be doing this for example, and you're going to want to hold down the pair button and turn it on. You'll see a red flashing light, and then you're going to want to turn on your electric skateboard, and you'll see a flashing light on the receiver. What you're going to want to do is wait till the red light on the RC remote is solid, and then you're going to want to turn it off. Then turn this off, and you're going to want to pull the binding plug out, and we'll turn this back on and check it if it paired. There we go. Alright, so I hope you found that tutorial helpful. Please keep in mind that you should use this video just as a reference. If you want, now that you're prepared to build your own electric skateboard, what do you guys, the e-skate community, find most challenging?